Welcome to Toasty Tech, where we serve up the hottest gadgets, smartest tech, and coolest innovations to help you find your next great upgrade. The product link is in description. If you're serious about video production and want a larger, brighter screen than the display on your camera, the VILTROX DC-X3 SDI monitor kit is definitely worth a closer look. This is a 6-inch touchscreen field monitor built around a full HD 1920 by 1080 display, but the number that really jumps out is its 2000 nit peak brightness. What does that actually mean in real-world use? It means the screen is designed to remain highly visible in bright shooting environments, making it much easier to monitor framing, focus, and exposure when you're working outdoors. VILTROX also rates the display at a 160-degree viewing angle, with 100% sRGB and 100% Rec. .709 coverage, an 8-bit color depth, and a 1000:1 contrast ratio. So, what makes the DC-X3 particularly interesting? Connectivity. You get both HDMI 1.4 and 3G SDI, with input and output connections for each. Through HDMI, the monitor can accept DCI or UHD 4K signals up to 30 frames per second, while SDI supports up to 1080p at 60 frames per second. The loop-through outputs also allow you to send the signal onward to another compatible display or monitoring device, which can be especially useful in a more advanced camera setup. And this isn't just a bigger screen. The DC-X3 includes a collection of professional monitoring tools designed to help you make better decisions while recording. You can use waveform, histogram, RGB parade, vector scope, false color, zebra patterns, focus peaking, pixel-to-pixel viewing, image zoom, and other monitoring functions. It also supports custom LUT workflows, giving filmmakers another way to preview how footage can look during production. The touchscreen interface makes those controls easier to access, while customizable shortcut buttons can put frequently used functions within quick reach. There's also a 3.5mm headphone output for audio monitoring. Power is flexible too, with support for NP-F series batteries as well as external DC and USB-C power. The monitor itself weighs about 350 grams and measures roughly 155.4 by 98.4 by 30 millimeters, so you're getting a fairly substantial monitoring surface without turning your camera rig into a giant brick. The kit format adds even more practicality, with a rig cage, sun hood, battery, mounting accessories, cables, and protective carrying equipment depending on the specific bundle configuration. The cage provides additional mounting points, making it easier to integrate the monitor into a more customized camera rig. So, is this product really worth buying? If your workflow benefits from a large, daylight viewable monitor, HDMI and SDI connectivity, professional exposure and focus tools, and a flexible mounting system, the VILTROX DC-X3 brings a lot of useful features into one compact monitoring solution. And what do the numbers actually mean in real-world use? The 6-inch Full HD screen gives you considerably more viewing area than a typical built-in camera display, while the 2000 nit brightness is the headline feature for outdoor visibility. That combination makes the DC-X3 a compelling tool for filmmakers, videographers, photographers, and production crews looking for more control while recording. Thanks for watching Toasty Tech. The product link is in description. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more hot tech content, and I'll see you in the next one.